moringa. Ayan, taro guys. Ayan po. Ayan. Ayan po natin ng taro. And then next may patani po tayo. Ayan. We have patani. I don't know how do we call this in English, but it's a type of bean guys. There you go. So we will mix first before putting the coconut milk. Ayan, mega love shout out Mr. Holden's channel. Sis Lorico, Sis Katja. Ayan, we are going to cook ginataang gabi. Wala po siyang tangkay. Ayan, patani with gabi. So, luto po natin yan guys para may ilaw po tayo. This is the coco milk guys. The origin is Thailand. Lagay ko na po natin. Lagay po natin lahat yan. Pure coco milk guys. So we are going to mix and put a bit of water. So this is now guys. We are going to wait until it will boil. Ayan, maglalaway po yung mga ulam ng gabi na may gata. So this is a Filipino food guys. We are going to wait until it will boil. And then we will try to put some salt because I didn't put salt yet. So this is chili powder guys. We are going to put a bit of this. Ayoko naman ng masyadong maanghang guys. Only to taste a bit of what we call this. A bit of chili powder. So it already started boiling guys. You see there is the chili powder. We are going to cover first and wait for some minutes. And then here we see guys, this is soya milk and chickpea guys for my husband and children because they don't like ginataang gabi. We will cover and then we have here the rice guys. I didn't put here vegetables guys because we already have the soya milk and my taro, ginataang taro. So here you see it's already boiling guys. So we are going to open guys and let us see how this taro is cooking. So guys, masyadong malambot guys yung ano niya, yung gata na coconut milk because I put 1 can guys. But anyway, let's wait. Perhaps I will put some water because it's very sticky guys. We are going to mix it again guys. Don't worry guys, hindi po siya makati. Diba yung gabi sa Pilipinas makati guys? Ito po hindi. Kahit minimix mo ng 1 million times, hindi po siya makati. As long as naluto po siyang mabuti. Ayan. Ang bango po niya guys, kasi nga yung patani natin. Diba? Ayan, meron po siyang patani. So, super bango po siya guys. Ayan, maglaway po kayo. Ayan, Mr. Holden, halika na. Malapit na to. I put some parsley here guys because we don't have malunggay or moringa, so I grabbed the opportunity to put some parsley guys. Ayan. Libre po yung parsley natin kahapon sa Pakistan. So I put some parsley guys. Perejil sa Spanish. Para meron siyang konting kulay ba na medyo green-green. Diba? Sis Katja, yung green-green grass of course. Ayan, Kuya Antonio, mega love shout out. Inang po. May walang shoutout. Kaya, lapit na tayong kakain. Konting halo-halo. May gusto na lang. Lapit na po tayong lalaga. Kakain na lang. Bahala kayo kung maglaway. Ang ating taro.